How to transfer files from your old PC to new PC. What's up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a few methods from which you can easily transfer your old PC's files to your new one. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Alright, let's begin. So there are quite a few ways which you can transfer files between your computers. First thing is you can use cloud storage or web transfer. So it is one of the easiest way to transfer files from one computer to another by using a cloud storage device. So this also offers convenience and security features like data encryption. Some of the popular options are Google Drive, so you can upload it on your Google Drive or your Microsoft OneDrive, and even Dropbox. These services will allow you to upload files to the cloud and then download them on your other computer. This method works well for transferring data from laptop to laptop or between PCs, and it doesn't matter if they have different operating systems. Alright, so these are the websites that you can opt to if you have to transfer large amount of files. And other thing that you can use is external hard drives or USB flash drives. So if you use an external hard drive such as a USB flash drive, an SD card, or hard disks, then it is one of the most straightforward ways to transfer files from PC to PC. These devices will allow you to transfer a large volume of data without relying on an internet connection. So first you have to connect the external hard drive to old PC, then copy all of the files that you want to transfer. Then you have to safely eject the drive that you've inserted first. After that, you have to connect it to your new PC and copy all of the files to your new PC. It's pretty straightforward. Then what you can do is direct cable transfer. You can use a special USB transfer cable to directly connect two ports of the computer transfer file. This method is often faster than using an external drive, especially if both PC have a USB 3 ports. The cable usually comes with data transfer software to guide you through the file transfer process. You need to install transfer software in both computers for cable to function properly. Then you can use PC transfer softwares like LapLink PC Mover, which allows you to make the data transfer process much easier and more reliable, especially when setting up a new computer. So these tools often allow you to choose files and settings to transfer, move application without reinstalling, transfer users, account, and preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I will see you guys on the next one.